first successful burn with the used oil burner. I've got my blower that I swiped off of a furnace. Goes into 1.25 inch line. I've got my 1/2 inch drip line going, just a funnel on top for now. That 1/4 turn ball valve, which I'm going to replace, get something I can tune a little better. And it goes inside the 1.25 inch. Both those enter. And there you have, she's burning away. I've got a 7-inch with a 2-inch insulation stainless steel pipe that I again just grabbed out of the salvage bin. I just have 2 stacks. It's just resting on top, so I mean it's burning away. You can just see the heat vapors coming out. So in the bottom right now, it's unfortunately just 2 chunks of brick. This is what's kind of hot enough to keep it going. I had a frying pan I thought was stainless steel, and it's no longer there. So you can see I have the 1/2 inch line coming down, and I just put a downside, so I kind of reversed the way it's supposed to go on so the air can exit out above. I'm going to try removing it and see if I can get a better airflow out of it. But here she's running down, running out of oil right now. Unfortunately, I don't know if my blower is powerful enough, but I can only get it to burn properly with the door open. But we'll try again later.